All right, here's the deal. I've got 4 dead batteries in my garage. Today's mission? Rescuing these batteries from the land of the useless. Let's see if this tower top charger can bring them back from the dead. All right, first up is this poor guy, a battery that hasn't held a charge for 6 years. Yes, 6 whole years. It was down to a sad 2 volts. I hooked it up to the tower top and started the repair feature. It took a while, and then, failure. Bummer. Next contestant, battery number 2, kicked the bucket about 4 years ago thanks to a classic move of leaving the lawnmower key on through the winter. This one started out with a little more juice of 4 volts. Hooked it up, started the repair process, and success. Except it wouldn't start the mower. Looks like it might be permanently out of commission for real work. All right. Lesson learned. Older super dead batteries are a tough call. But moving on. Battery number 3. This one deserted me in a snowy parking lot a few months back when it decided it could no longer handle a load. It started at 12 volts. Not too bad. Hooked it up, the charger zipped right through repair, which worried me a little bit, and went straight to charging. I hit the desulfation button too, just in case. Didn't have high hopes since it breezed through that also. But after a couple hours of charging, this baby was back in action. Slapped it back in the escape and it's been running like a champ ever since. Now for a bonus round. This mystery gel battery owner was at Harbor Freight hoping to recycle it, which they don't do, so I scored it for free to see if the charger could work its magic. It started at 12 volts, so I figured it probably couldn't handle a load either. I had to set the charger to gel mode for this one. Went through the same process as the Duracell earlier, and guess what? Success! So I tossed it in the mower to try it out, and wouldn't you know it, the mower started right up. So the verdict on the Tower Top Smart Charger, I'm impressed. It brought 2 relatively recent dead batteries back from the grave. The older ones, well, one showed a glimmer of hope, so I might keep trying with that one. But for bringing mildly dead batteries back to life with this charger, it gets a thumbs up from me. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more reviews and DIY content on tech, tools, and other gadgets, please subscribe.